Food archaeology, also known as culinary archaeology or archaeobotany, is a branch of archaeology that focuses on the study of ancient foodways, culinary practices, and food-related artifacts from archaeological sites. Food archaeologists investigate the ways in which past societies procured, processed, prepared, consumed, and understood food throughout history, using a variety of interdisciplinary methods and techniques. Food archaeology sheds light on ancient culinary practices in several ways. Analysis of food remains. Food archaeologists analyze botanical, zoological, and archaeological remains recovered from ancient sites, including plant and animal remains, seeds, grains, bones, shells, pottery fragments, cooking vessels, and food residues. These remains provide valuable insights into the types of foods consumed, food preparation techniques, cooking methods, and culinary preferences of ancient societies. Identification of foodstuffs. By identifying and analyzing food remains, food archaeologists can determine the types of plants and animals that were domesticated, cultivated, hunted, gathered, and consumed by ancient populations. This includes staple crops such as wheat, barley, rice, maize, and millet, as well as wild plants and game animals that were part of the ancient diet. Reconstruction of diets. Food archaeology allows researchers to reconstruct the diets and nutritional patterns of ancient peoples based on the analysis of food remains and dietary proxies. By examining the proportions of different food items, the seasonality of consumption, and the presence of food-related artifacts, archaeologists can infer information about ancient culinary habits and dietary diversity. Study of cooking technologies. Food archaeologists investigate ancient cooking technologies and culinary practices by studying cooking vessels, hearths, ovens, grinding stones, and other artifacts associated with food preparation. By analyzing wear patterns, residues, and traces of use on these artifacts, researchers can infer information about cooking methods, food processing techniques, and culinary traditions. Cultural and social significance. Food archaeology provides insights into the cultural, social, and symbolic significance of food in ancient societies. Food-related artifacts, such as feasting vessels, ritual vessels, food offerings, and culinary implements, offer clues about religious practices, social rituals, communal dining practices, and culinary symbolism. Trade and exchange networks. Food archaeology can reveal information about ancient trade and exchange networks by tracing the movement of foodstuffs, spices, and culinary ingredients across regions and continents. Analysis of food residues, isotopic signatures, and genetic markers can provide evidence of long-distance trade routes, cultural interactions, and culinary diffusion. Environmental context. Food archaeology considers the environmental context in which ancient foodways developed, including factors such as climate, geography, soil conditions, and natural resources. Understanding the environmental constraints and opportunities faced by ancient societies helps contextualize their dietary choices, agricultural practices, and culinary adaptations. Overall, food archaeology offers valuable insights into ancient culinary practices, food systems, and foodways, enriching our understanding of past societies and cultures. By studying the remains of ancient meals and the artifacts left behind by past generations, food archaeologists piece together the story of human nourishment and gastronomic traditions throughout history.